Hello guys, welcome to another webcraft tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this multilingual website in here. So as you can see, I can actually change the website to any language I want, and you have a plethora of languages that you can choose from. So whether it's Russian, Spanish, any language at all, the moment you come in here and you just click on the icon, the language icon in here, and you just click on any language, it translates the whole website into that language for you. So I'm going to show you how you can integrate this into your WordPress website in just a few minutes. So as you can see here, I have my WordPress website dashboard in here, and you can see I have the Astra templates installed. So you can quickly, if you want this to use this theme, it's a very famous theme that you can actually use to build WordPress websites. So if you want to add it, just come in here to add theme and then just look for Astra in here. So just type Astra and it will come up for you to install it over here, as well as a couple of other themes. But that's not what we want to do. So to get the languages feature on your WordPress, as I showed you earlier, all you need to do is come to plugins and go to add plugin and look for GTranslate. Now that is the plugin that we are going to use to get our website to be able to translate to other languages. So as you can see, it has over, the last time I checked, it had 700,000 installations, active installations. Now it's over 800. That tells you how famous this plugin is. So let's go ahead and do the installation. Install now. And once it's installed, just go to activate. So as you can see, it's now installed. Now let's go back to our website and see what, if you can see anything for now. So as you can see, it's now showing nicely on our page. Let's go back to the dashboard, go to tools, go to settings, and you see the GTranslate here. So click on that, and these are the settings. These are some of the customizations that you can do to the to this plugin. So first off, you can actually change the size of the flags. There's 3D, there's 2D. You can also select as many languages as you want. I think the maximum is 110 languages, if I'm not mistaken, over here. So now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 languages selected automatically. So if you go back to the website, you can see all the 10 languages in here. If you don't like how this looks, you can actually minimize it. So let's go to show floating language selector. So you can put it on the bottom left, let's try bottom right. Go ahead and save the changes. Let's come to our website, refresh, and you can see the languages is mostly here, but I think most websites put their languages at the top right, so it will be best to have it at the top right. So let's go back, put it at the top right. Let's go in here, click on float. It can be a nice drop down with flags. Let's go for nice drop down with flags. So this is how it will look on the, this is a preview on the right side. You can also position it. So let's just say I want to show it in the primary menu. Let's go ahead and save this, go back to the site, refresh. Now you can see two options in here. Now to prevent this, let's go back to the page again. So you can see it's showing on the primary menu and on the top right as well. So you would have to disable one of these. So if it's on the primary menu, then you can say that the floating should not float on the website, and then you can save and go back and refresh. So now you can see it's added to the primary menu. When you click, you get the drop down and then you select the language you want, and your website also changes accordingly. So this is a very free tool you can use to translate your website into as many languages, all the languages you see in here. You can make a few customizations to this. But there's a paid version of this GTranslate as well, where you get to have a subdirectory. So depending on the language that the person selects, you have a prefix added to this. So maybe EN to represent English or something of that nature. So if you want that feature on your website, you have to go for the paid version. So this is a very simple way that you can actually translate any website at all into any language that you want, and it's free and it's very easy to use. So I recommend you use this if you ever want to translate your website into multiple languages. If you found this video useful, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I hope to see you in the next video.